storm. It is rapidly pushing off to the northeast. It's very close to Triana right now. It's going to pass just to the south of Triana. It will be tracking over Highway 231. So if you are in Owens Crossroads, you need to be getting to your tornado shelter immediately. This is a very dangerous storm, and it is going to be tracking through your area if this does hold together. And it looks like the atmosphere is still very, very unstable. We are still in our peak daytime heating hours. These storms will likely start to weaken as we get towards sunset, but for the next few hours, we are going to still see the potential for these storms to rapidly rotate and produce these tornadoes. This is a very unstable atmosphere that we're dealing with today. We are all still under a tornado watch. This is actually a particularly dangerous situation. It's a particularly dangerous tornado watch due to the fact that we are expecting for long-track, long-lived tornadoes. Fortunately, we have had very limited reports of significant damage, so that is the good news out of all of this. We have had several reports of rotating funnel clouds. We have had several reports of tornadoes on the ground, but we have not had reports of significant damage that would be indicative of a very large, long-track, long-lived tornado. So that is some good news there, but we still do have that threat for a few more hours. So certainly be taking these tornado warnings very seriously as they come out, because this is certainly a dangerous setup that we have in our atmosphere today. We have plenty of spin or turning of the winds with height for any of these storms to start quickly rotating and producing these tornadoes. Once again, we are focusing on southern Madison County. It does look as though this storm with the potential tornado will stay south of Huntsville, but if you are in southern Madison County and if you are in the Owens Crossroads area, this storm is going to pass right over your area over the next several minutes. If we take out a storm track on that, I will show you the particular towns that storm will be tracking over. But right now, this storm is very dangerous. It is pushing out of northern Morgan County into southern Madison County, and it is a very, very dangerous storm. So you certainly need to be taking this rather seriously. The storm right now is to the west of Whitesburg and Redstone Park. We are going to get a storm track on here for you. The storm is moving to the northeast, affecting about 34,000 people. It does look as though the storm will be tracking into Owens Crossroads